Hello and welcome. This is Explain That in this how to schedule post on Facebook. So go to any browser that you have and search up the Facebook Creator Studio. It will redirect you to the first one, so just click on it. And you need to log in to your business account or business profile page. So if you had one already, go to the content or the planner icon and you should be able to see there the create and add post or story as well. So just click on the create post, and in here you should be able to pre-plan any post that you want. For example, I'm just going to greet everyone with a hi everyone and also a picture of a cat. So after that, you can also add more as well as make it public or restricted only to followers. And in here, you should be able to see there the scheduling options. Make sure to enable the switch. And in here, you make sure that you make it very specific and as well as time. So after you're done, tap on the schedule button and you can even prompt will appear for you to boost the ad as well if you're planning to commit with a lot more audience. So after that, you can also edit it out whenever you want to, and that should be it.